Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching this video. And in this video, I'm talking about the commission rate in AGT. Now, what is commission rate? Commission rate is the payment associated with either a fixed payment or a percentage of sales professional that works on commission, such as instruction brokers, real estate agents, and car salespersons receive payment when they provide a sale when your income is based on a particular or entire on the number of sales. Calculated commission rate become cycle to the job. How to find this commission rate? So you can actually Google and understand what commission rate is all about. Create the master funnel, determine your salary based on salary. That is, I'm just talking about generally about commission. I want to explain something about the commission in this platform. Now, determine your advance pay. For those who work on commission, understand better what commission is all about. In AGT, the commission is amazing. So you have understand your commission rate, input your figure to calculate your commission based on that. Now, in this video, I want to share something with you guys. Sorry for this slide. Yes, in this video, in this slide, as you can see here, you can see that this account has earned a worth sum of 1,163 USDT in its level 1. They only have level 1 in this platform. Now, if you register with my link, it's going to be in the description of this video, and you come up with any amount, they're going to give me 5% on a daily basis. The 5% will be daily basis, 5% of your capital. So as you compound every day, the 5% keep increasing. So this is one of the ways that this one works. It's not a must that you must refer people to make money on AGT. I've done several videos talked about how you can actually make money here without you referring people. You see, this account has earned 1,185 USD, and this is the total team volume sales, over 50,000 US dollars. Sure, you understand now? So this is one of the things I like about AGT, because it does not determine that you must be a networker before you can make money. You can actually make money without marketing this product by just investing your money and earn for yourself. I will show you previous screenshot. You can see this account now. Again, you can see this account. This account has 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 members are those that registered on this account. And then on this account, these guys have made a total sale income of 390 USDT, and the team total volume sales for the team is 3,299. You see, so the 5% on all of this for this guy is on a daily basis. So this is one of the things, if you decide to take this serious as an affiliate, I'm telling you for real, you are going to be making money that you don't even expect. You can start with $10, $20, $50 with any of the 3 boats, and then grow your team. People are looking for opportunity to make money just as this. Now, this is another account. This account has been blocked. We can't actually see the total sales volume for this account and what this account has earned, but you can see the broad team. The team is massive. People already on this account are already joining. You can see 50 US dollars there. You can see 999. You can see 90 US dollars there. If you scroll down, you see another 50 dollars here. You understand now? So people that understand this business are actually taking opportunity so serious. Now, this is another account again, and this account has earned a worth sum of almost $2,000, 1,955 USDT. Now look at how crazy the sales is. They have done $124,500 US as a team. These are big time networkers, and you see that the amazing thing is that the 5% is not just much, it's on a daily basis. So as you earn 5 to 3% on your account, you earn that person's earn the same amount with you on a daily basis. So but one thing you need to know is this product is not based on sales. You want to understand that this product does not based on sales. If you come in as a marketer, you'll have some money for yourself. If you come in as an investor, you'll make massive money for yourself. And the money is for affiliate commission is 5% daily, 5% on a daily basis. So you make that 5%, not as if you're going to take money from the person's capital and then give you the 5%. No, you make 5% as the person is active on the system on a daily basis. So guys, this is one of the videos I want to talk about, and if you know you find it helpful, somebody needs to watch, share, like, comment. See you guys in the next video. Bye.